In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial section to your Shopify Dawn theme, and I promise it will only take you about 5 minutes. This is a great way to showcase customer reviews directly on your store, enhancing its credibility and potentially boosting sales. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. If you find yourself logged out, don't worry, that's a simple fix. Start by heading over to the Shopify homepage and clicking on the Login button. Once you're on the login page, enter your email address and then click on Continue with Email. This will bring you to the next screen where you'll type in your password. After entering your password, just click on Login and you should be taken to your Shopify dashboard. With your dashboard open, navigate to the online store section by clicking on it from the sidebar. This section is where you'll find all your themes. Click on Themes to see the list of themes available for your store. Select the one in use, in our case is the Dawn theme. You'll then need to customize this theme, so go ahead and click Customize. This will take you to the theme editor where we'll make the necessary changes. In the theme editor, look for the Add section button, which is usually located on the left-hand panel. Clicking on this will bring up a list of available sections you can add to your page. In the search bar, type Testimonials to quickly find the testimonial section. Once it appears in the list, click on Testimonials to add it to your page layout. After adding the testimonial section, it's time to customize it according to your preferences or your business's style guide. You can add customer quotes, names, and even images if you have them. Editing is straightforward, just click on the testimonials area and you'll find options to input your content. Take your time with this step, as personalized and genuine testimonials can make a big impression on potential buyers. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Saving ensures that all your hard work is reflected live on your store. And that's it, you've successfully added a testimonial section to your Shopify Dawn theme. Not only have you enhanced your store's authenticity, but you've also created a vibrant platform for happy customers to vouch for your products. Be sure to periodically update this section with fresh testimonials